Do you know how to root minus 9? It is actually possible. Let's take a look. But first, let's practice our roots. 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. 11. But what happens when there's a negative inside? When working with real numbers, the problem we come across is when you take a number and multiply it by itself, either you're multiplying a positive number by a positive number or a negative by a negative, and both of these will always give a positive number. So how do we get a negative? Well, this is where we move into the complex domain and we introduce a letter I, which equals the root of minus 1. And now that we've defined this constant I as being the root of minus 1, we can now root negatives. Root of minus 9, I can rewrite as the root of minus 1 times 9. And now I can split this as the root of minus 1 times the root of 9. This is I multiplied by the root of 9, which is 3. But we always like to write the letters after the number. We get 3i. Now it's your turn. What is the value of the root of minus 49? Nice.